We begin the installation by removing the 3 plastic fasteners on the trim panel beneath the glove box on the passenger side. A removal tool is recommended, but it is possible to use a flat screwdriver or similar tool to remove the fasteners. Once the fasteners are removed, pull the panel down and locate the security gateway module. Locate the 8-wire connector, and while holding down the latch, disconnect it from the gateway module. Insert the vehicle wiring harness into the Autostop Eliminator, then connect the Autostop Eliminator to the gateway module. Once connected, tuck the device between the carpet and the carpet insulation. Position the panel back into place and insert the 3 plastic fasteners. Once installed, the device remembers when you turn Auto Start Stop off and will work to keep it off. After cycling the ignition, we see the device maintaining the off setting. It's that easy to keep Auto Start Stop disabled on your Dodge Durango.